Continue. Fifth level. Fifth level is when one gives an indigent prior to his asking for help. So we're going back in levels, right? So, for help. Since the poor person did not have to request help, it is less embarrassing for him. The rabbis tell us that in the merit of one who gives to indigent before is highlighted, right? He has to request help. Hashem will take care of his needs before he has to ask. So it's for me it's an amazing blessing. You have to pay attention. So people pay attention. Like somebody asked me last week about a red string. So the guy he started very serious. I wanted to learn this. And send him material. Said first review this, and then we continue talking, right? And then I want to ask you a question. I said, okay, so ask me. He had asked me about red. What do you think about red string? In a sense, okay. So it's very, very interesting. So the best red string, is what it says here. So one more time. The fifth level is where one gives to indigent prior to asking for help. So if you know that somebody is in need or in possible need, as we said, this examples, you see your neighbor, your Jewish neighbor, that you met him three months ago, that he lost his job, he was very upset, this and that, and you heard that he's sick, and you haven't seen him for another few months. So guess what? Most likely he's not working. They need, so just because they're not asking you, sorry. So that does not mean that not in need. So come and say me, I'm going to grocery shop. Maybe I can get you something. Apologize. Sorry. All right. So I can get you something. Don't ask. Don't wait for them. Maybe they're never going to ask. So ask. All right. Since the poor person did not have to request help, it is less embarrassing to him. So meaning what? They did not. You came to ask. So just by the way, look, I'm driving there anyway. So what can I get you? Actually, I have $50. Yeah, I have a coupon, $50 coupon. So free food, whatever. So make up stuff. What can I get you? The rabbis tell us that in the merit of one who gives the indigent before he has requested help, right? Hashem will take care of his needs before he has to ask. So it's very, very interesting. So it's as everything in this life is measure for measure, right? So this is also measure for measure. You thought about the person before he asked, right? So same way Hashem is going to think about you before you ask think about your needs. Okay. Level 6. So meaning so you would give anyway, right? So if he is going to ask, you're going to give, and he did not ask. He did not ask you, but you gave before. Right, meaning that the reward for the same mitzvah, you gave the same, let's $50, $100. So for the same, exactly the same amount, you're going to get much more reward. Right? That's why we have to smart and invest our tzedakah money properly. Right? So from the same amount, you can get much more reward. Okay, 6th level. The 6th level is where one gives an indigent that he needs only after he requested help. Right? So, I mean, you gave, as we said, anyway, but it's already lower level. 7th level. The 7th level is where one gives an indigent some what he needs, yet he gives with a happy countenance, making poor person feel good. Okay, so he said, he comes to you and said, I don't know, I need $20,000 to marry my daughter, right? And you say, Mazel Tov, very happy for you. Here's $20, and let it be successful wedding and please and this, and so you give him encouragement. He say, I apologize, that's what I can give, right? I'm hardly making out myself, but here's from the bottom of my heart, and make it this 20 become 2,000 or something. You understand? So you give with a happy countenance. It's a very big deal, right? Level 7th level. Level 8th level. The 8th level is where one gives money to the poor, yet does not give it, yet does the gifts with a heavy heart. Nevertheless, it is still considered a level of tzedakah, since the poor person is unaware of the donor's negative attitude. So we do not say that he cursed him out, that he said like throw like bone to the dog, get out of here. No. He gives, but he hates this guy. This poor person. That's the lowest level of tzedakah. So one more time, the 8th level of tzedakah, one gives money to a poor, yet does so with a heavy heart. So again, it's only in the heart. It's only in the heart. Nevertheless, it is still considered a level of tzedakah. So because the bottom line, this person got the money. He was not embarrassed. Okay, maybe you were I don't know, not without smiling, but without a long face or something. Just no normal face. Okay. And since the poor is unaware of the donor's negative attitude. Okay.